principal jaga Skul Christian Academy kabalong ka school ka ble ba ka exam result metric ka ba angot ki Khynnah kilawan ka kadan top 20 baru pra pa kandan ngot ki Khynnah ki bela exam na ka school ki jungi kila pass lut ila ong bagadong ka Jingiapher shibun sha ha ka badi dia ha baya Ianujor ba ka jinglong ki Khynnah school ka ba shifo ne khatsas ne Mynshuwa kadang kalong ki Khynnah school ba meta ki yo lat ba ye ki lat ki kabu khamtam ya ka jingdan ki court internet kaya rap shune ki ha ka jing puli ka jongki miss hakani ka hakini ki post number pilai kai bi mo Pakistan Academy but state ke Jingiapher ki jungi let's say 10-15 years back but ki student jong ka mengata ke Jingiapher fi different
okay the difference hi kalong ba Mynta with long haki all Mynshuwa kalong ba whatever they getting from the school ne kalong ba entirely kalong ba from the school side no and they Mynta with social media no they can Google a lot they get more information they ngapet ki por Mynshuwa ngapet even if going for tuitions so come down eh they Mynta because there's a lot of competition put ka khan academic competition and because of that the majority of the students are also they're getting extra help so
competing
okay hindi na kalian juga school here we have given our best we have given our best and like one of our students very congenial is one student who did not go for tuitions he did not go for tuitions and so because of that I would just say credit also goes to the school kata ka shkon pau no ba ka ba yo na school that was enough for him
ya gini ki Khynnah kastan village ki bana per ki matric pi shim don ki extra class ni ki jingai ba kham special ke
ki extra class ki don number ba towards the end of the year we don't need like special classes when shim for them but they still need to get extra coaching so during the winters of course we do a lot of coaching for them and
first ki kalau kau ka pasti 100% deh
100% pass.
Are you happy with the performance of the school?
Very happy. We were expecting more.
You expect how many to come in top 20?
Pardon?
Expecting how many in top 20?
Okay, exact number, but more than of course.
More than two.
And when we looked at the marks, they just missed by a few marks.
Okay.
But anyway, we were so happy. So very happy, especially for the two students who really done this good job and to be able to be in the top 10 for one of them and of course happy getting the 11th position. It's a proud moment for the institution.
Don't talk about student people on top 20 top pass.
Throughout semua nila maintain ke kami nila ada dua kapur di bangala took over as the principal bang nila juga dengan top 20 tu
Number one class and class position.
first class first kata ni 42 that was a dream kata hi ka ba ni community because we have to work harder when it comes to that extra hard work has to be put in both by the school and also by the students.
During the time, first time, tak school jadi, but casino, kalau kamuan yang kita pergi, boleh kini kiwai kemuat, kita kira Jingiapher semua.
Firstly, ngamen ong hina, nama ba, no, I will not talk about the schools. Of course, looking at the results here, Academy. I think the main reason is a good foundation. The good foundation. And because of that, it's because of that, so when they go to higher classes, we don't encourage rote learning. That do encourage that can use their creativity. I jingly, he happen what the answers from the textbook. He happen told he the answers tagumpam ka long extra work ya kilometer itu. And like it really helps in the end. And mabat kena yang rapidly as they go up to higher classes, but then ni kita ban ni kita gila ban tho ya kai ka badan kata jinki kan. Kamdi kata ka ready made answers ni. Nim to I notes kan. Siam balan kata asupan. Kalau kita just sekarang ngomong nim to I kan. Kami kuat kita tu gila reason of things. Timpani ya kai ka isno ke. That's why that has really helped him. And because of that, English kucumki kalau kan kata bentar ni, kita bentar ada subjects tu.
Okay.
That is the main strong point. But kita nak strong.
Jadi buat nak kenal seperti David